Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. How are you today? I'm doing good, thank you. Today is, as usual, one of my favorite days. It is Thursday, so you know why you're here. It's gonna be a little different today. I am actually doing a two-step kind of thing. It is also 9:05, if you can see it. It is 9:05 at night. So today we're doing an evening mask. It was just such a crazy day today for me, but I wasn't gonna miss this. So let's just dive into the video, shall we? I am gonna be using, they're both by the same company. This is by Clean and Clear. It's a blackout blackhead clearing coffee scrub. It should look like this. And then the other one is the mask. It's a clay mask. It's a deep cleansing clay mask. Very simple. Okay, so I am going to start with the scrub, then pat my face dry, then we do the mask, and yada yada. You know. I'm very excited for this. I've never done two-step kind of thing, so yeah, they both look like this. So yeah, let's get this video started. The scrub looks like this. Let's see if I can get it. For being a coffee scrub, it's clear, which is weird. Oh, but it smells just like coffee. Okay, put enough here. I like to get it everywhere. Okay. It smells straight like coffee. Well, my trouble area, which is my T-zone. It's like minty. Okay, I am gonna wash. I'll be back. Oh, it's getting in my eye. My eye. Okay, so that was well. I liked it. I liked it a lot. I dropped the towel. Wow. My face feels pretty good even with just the scrub, but don't mind my eyes. I feel like I got a little bit of soap in them, so that's why they might get a little red. Okay. Okay. Okay, got it out. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the deep cleansing clay mask. And for that, can't forget this. Let's see. Ooh, it's sealed, hold on. Should have been more prepared. It's blue. I have so much luck with blue masks. Like, most of them. If you put maybe an array of all the blue masks I tried so far on this side of Laura, put them over here, okay? So if you know me, you know that I have used many clay masks in here that are blue, so let's see this. Doesn't smell like anything. This one's more clayish than the other one, but let's see how it goes. This one's not as loose as the other one that I just did last week. Feels like a repeat from last week. Sorry. I guess this doesn't, a little doesn't go a long way. Okay, so this is supposed to draw out the dirt, impurities, and excess oil with clay and charcoal. Leaves your skin soft and clean. Thin layer onto a clean face, which we did. I did the scrub. Avoid the lips and the eyes. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes or until completely dry, then gently rinse away. I am not gonna put a timer tonight. I am just gonna sit in the nice cool AC, let this thing dry, then I'll be back here. We're gonna wash this away, and then you're gonna get to see my beautiful face and see what this is all doing for me. So it's not a repeat from last week. I am wearing a different shirt, so okay, let's be clear about that. I'll be back in, I'm gonna say 30 minutes, and we shall see what I look like. Hi, I'm back. I waited about 30 minutes, 35 minutes here and there, but it's pretty dry now, so we're good. It feels tight, which is always a good thing. I like tight masks. It was getting kind of like warm at the beginning, but I guess because I was on the AC, it kind of got cool after that, so I prefer cold masks rather than warm masks. So I'm definitely gonna keep on doing it like that for now. Maybe it's a good thing, maybe it's a bad thing, I don't know. But if you're out there and you know if it's a good or bad thing, let me know. I can barely move my face, as you can tell. So what I'll do now is I'm gonna wash my face, and then come back here. Let's see the results. Let's see if I'm still as beautiful as I was when I started this. I'm trying to laugh, but again, I can't smile, so I'll be right back. So I brought you in a little close, just so you can get to see, you know, my face a little better. I definitely like how soft my face feels. It's really good, actually. But I do feel like you definitely have to moisturize with this mask, because after my face is fully dry, it feels like it's gonna be tight and that it's gonna need some moisturize in there. So I do recommend moisturizing after this. So far, I'm pretty happy with the results. My face feels clean, my nose feels really soft, you know, my pores feel cleansed, so that's a good thing. I got these, I didn't know if I mentioned that earlier, but I got these from Ulta when I did my little shopping spree for face masks last week. So you can find them there. So now I'm just gonna bring you in a little closer so you can take a look at my face. And I was kind of thinking before I do that maybe sometime next week I'll show you how I go about, you know, my peach fuzz and everything, because I do have a lot of it and it's dark. So I'll show you how I deal with that. Like, I always lighten it up because I don't shave or anything like that, or wax my face. I don't. But anyways, without further ado, come close, let's take a look at my pores and let me know what you think. Whew. See, all this is getting dark already, so I have to take care of that. But yeah. Oh, the light. You can really see my pores there. But yeah. Yes, this is me. This is all of me without makeup, without anything. So yeah, all I'm trying to here is to achieve great healthy skin. And I not only drink a lot of water, I also want to take care of it with all these face masks and stuff like that, because you know I don't really wear makeup like that. So this is my face every day, when I go to work, when I come home, when I wake up, when I go to bed, all that stuff. So I just want to, you know, take care of it as much as possible. But yeah, let me take you back. Hold on. So yeah, that's it for tonight, guys. It is nighttime here. I'm trying to go to bed. I am gonna moisturize after this, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. Actually, use my CBD serum. So I keep saying I wanted to use it. Now I get to finally use it. And you know, I also have the marble roller, so I'm gonna do that. So this is 100% vegan and cruelty free. This is Pacifica Cosmetic Beauty Drops CBD, 50 grams. Looks like that. Smells pretty good. Okay, great. So yeah, I'm just rambling on now. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna put the face, put the moisturizer on, use a little bit of the roller, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. I hope you guys have a great day, because you're seeing this in the afternoon. And don't forget to always come back. I'm here every Tuesdays and Thursdays. And yeah, share with your friends, share with your family, your neighbor, your grandpa, your mailman, everybody. Share with everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next week. Thank you. Bye.